Hello everyone, I'm Ankit and in this video I'm going to tell you the arithmetic operators, how to use the arithmetic operators in Microsoft Excel. So these are all the arithmetic operators which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage and exponentation. So let me show you how to do that. But before I start, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and like this video and share it so that others can know how to use these operators. So let me start. So the first operator is addition. Addition. And the addition, it has a formula and a function also. So let me tell you the formula first. Formula. So formula is equals to, and for example I want to add these two numbers which are 10 and 20. So the formula is equals to sum, open parenthesis, this cell reference B4 and comma 20, which is cell reference C4. I forgot to close the parenthesis. It automatically closed it. No problem. Now the function, which is equals to this thing plus 20, and we get the same answer. We can also do is equals to 10 plus is equals to 10 plus 20. We get the same answer. That's addition. Now let me tell you how to do subtraction. So subtraction formula, it only has a function, sorry, because we only subtract two numbers. And yeah, in addition we can also do this. Like if I want to add 40 to this sum of 10 and 20, just need to put comma and the cell reference B5. Done. We get the answer. So we can add multiple numbers. We can also do add here plus 70, and then we get the same answer. Sorry, not 70, 40. Sorry, and we get the same answer 70, and we can change as per our requirements. So it only has the function subtraction. Function. Sorry. So it only has a function which is equals to like I want to subtract 20 and 10. The answer is 10, of course. Is equals to E4 minus F4. Done. We get this. Or else we can also do is equals to 20 minus 10. That can also happen. So that's subtraction. Now let me tell you about the third arithmetic operator, which is multiplication. So this has a formula and a function also. Okay, so the formula is for example I want to multiply these three numbers which are 10, 2 and 2. Okay, so is equals to product of open parenthesis 10 comma 2 comma 2, which is 40, I4, and then what is that, I5 and close parenthesis 40. Okay, so that is the answer of this. Now let me tell you the function. The function is equals to 10 into 2 into 2. I mean the cell references 40. Get the same answer. Or else we can also do like this: 10 into 2 into 2. So that's 40. So that is multiplication. Now coming to the fourth operator, which is division. This only has a function because we can't divide multiple numbers, just like subtraction. Division is repeated subtraction, right? So the function of this which is the function for division is equals to, like, if I want to divide 40 and 20, I write is equals to this self difference by self difference B13 by C13. Okay, 2. Or else we can also do like 40 by 20. This done. So that is division. Division. And then come into the next operator, which is percentage. Now you need to pay a bit attention towards this, because this is a like hard topic, percentage. So like I want to find the percentage of how much is 20 in 40. So you know it's 50%. So the formula, the function for this is equals to 20 by 40 into 100. So we get 50. That's right. So this is how we find the formula. And now the last function, which the last operator, which is exponentation. That means the power. So I want to find 40 squared. Okay, so function for this is equals to 40 and then plus 6, shift plus 6 if you don't know the key, and then we get 1600. Now if I want to add another 2 here, power, and I can get into again this thing 2, we get 256,000. How do you know it's true? Let me show you how it's true. See, 40 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. It's 256,000. Now let me show you. So this is the exponentation function, and if you have any queries, just put it in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.